Okay, so for this one, we kind of know that balls bouncing decay exponentially. So what family does it belong? We know it's going to be exponential, but we can see that by finding out what we're multiplying here, right? So 475, right? 475 divided by 800. That comes out to, I'm just going to use my calculator, right? 475 divided by 800 is 0.59, so about 0.6, right? And then this one, 290 over 475, 290 divided by 475, right, is about 0.6, right? These are approximates, right? And we could see that this happens all the way. And so explain how you know. We could say that the multiplier is constant, is 0.6. We're multiplying to get to the next one, so it is exponential, right? Exponential decay, to be specific, right? It's not growing. It's not exponential growth. Okay, then B says, show the data as a sequence. Is the sequence arithmetic, geometric, quadratic, or something else? So the sequence, right, would be, this is B, 800, 475, 290, 175, 100, right, 60, right? So we're multiplying, and I did this already on the table, right? We're multiplying by 0.6 each time. We're multiplying by 0.6. We're multiplying by 0.6. So this makes it a geometric sequence, right? Because we're multiplying. If we were adding, it'd be an arithmetic sequence, right?